Today I'm going to show you how to segment contact lists in Mailchimp. So on the left hand side, we're going to go and click on audience. This will show you a full list of all of your audience members, your contacts within your Mailchimp account. To simplify it, what we want to do here is click on segments. Now segments come in handy when you are sending emails to people and you want to make sure that those emails are appropriate. So let's click on create segment. Here we are working with this list over here, and what we want to do is we want to select or search a filter. Now, for example, we are going to do address. Okay, so if the address contains, if it does not contain, if it is within a distance of, if the address is blank, or if it is not blank. You can choose any one of these options. For example, I'm going to choose contains. And here you are going to put in a value. Let's say that you have a contact list of 100 people and 80 of them are in Canada, and you'd like to sell them a product that is only for people in Canada. Maybe it's only appropriate for them, maybe it's only available for them. You're going to create this segment filter so that out of your 100 contacts, only 80 emails are sent to the people that are in Canada. You can add additional filters in here. So click on add filter. Let's say that we want to make sure that their birthday is in the month of May. So we can either have this both applied, or we can have them either one or the other applied. Okay, and these will work in conjunction if it's an or option. But for now, if you're in Canada and your birthday is in May, this will apply to you. Click on review segment. Here you will see all of the details. It'll tell you how many contacts in your list are falling within this contact segment. And then you're going to say use segment on the top right hand side. You'll be able to give your segment a name. Say save and exit. Here you will see that this is your segment over here. And when you send emails, you can choose the segment that you're sending it to instead of sending it to your whole list.